Hello.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Gumtrang Musari, and I am from India, Assam, Guwahati city.
Very nice, very nice. I don't know if I will be able to pronounce that correctly. I apologize. Do you
Okay.
have a nickname?
I have a nickname Gum.
Gum.
Yes,
Okay, Gum.
Gum.
Nice to meet you, Gum. My name's Clayton.
Okay, nice to meet you too, Clinton. And you are from which country?
I'm from America, US.
Okay. Do you live in Thailand?
No, no,
Okay.
yeah.
You live
I
in
live,
America itself.
no, no, no. Turkmenistan.
Okay. Mhm. Turkmenistan is near between Turkey.
No, no, it's near Afghanistan. You know where Afghanistan is?
Okay, it's a different country,
Yeah,
or
Afghanistan.
it's inside the Afghanistan.
Excuse me?
This Turkmenistan is inside the Afghanistan or it's a separate country?
Separate. It's
Okay,
north,
okay,
north
separate.
of Afghanistan,
Okay,
north of Iran, if you know
okay,
Iran.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So, what part of India are you in?
I'm in northeast part of India.
Northeast.
Yes,
So, is that on the border of what country?
it's a border of Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar and China.
Is it a nice area?
Yeah, it's a hilly area. It's a natural beauty. It's like no development, no buildings. It's a what I can say is underdeveloped area compared to other parts of India like northwest, Delhi, Mumbai.
Mhm. Gotcha. Gotcha. Very good. Very good. And why do you need English? Why are you learning English? What's the
Mhm.
purpose?
The main reason is I want English good to be for my career and for my future purpose. Since in India most of the times we prepare speaking in English in companies, corporate offices. We prepare speak in English and write in English as well. Everything everything after graduation in India, everything becomes in English. Even yeah, we have the Indian national language Hindi, but in normally everywhere we write in English and we speak in English in most of the towns and cities. That's the reason I'm looking good in English. That's why I'm in Cambridge.
Got you. Very good. Is there something specific you want to study? Is there like a certain area that you want to study?
Uh,
You know what I mean? Like pronunciation,
Yeah, pronunciation as well
vocabulary.
as the public speaking, conversations with unknown stranger persons. Since in companies we do speak with the boss, so to improve those things, mainly with speaking with unknown strangers and with in terms of the audience, public.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So I'm going to show you. Have you tried, Gum, have you tried some of Cambly's business English lessons?
Business English. No, I have not tried. I think it's my sixth or fifth time in Cambly.
So do you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, knowing your leadership style. Yeah, I've I've seen it.
So you can do these lessons. They will have vocabulary. They should have a little bit of grammar and a lot of discussion.
Okay.
So this is one thing you can try if you want. Again, this will give you vocabulary, this will give you discussion, and this will give you some grammar.
Hmm.
Yeah. So this is kind of what one of these lessons looks like.
Okay.
It starts off with some warm up questions. Then it goes on to a conversation with the vocabulary.
Okay.
Then the vocabulary.
Hmm.
You know, then you have some discussion, some practice. Yeah. So these are just and there's hundreds of different topics. Yeah. So, would you want to try one of these lessons? You just want to chit chat for today?
I think we can try two things. I mean, two sections here in this business lesson. I think how much time it will take to complete this one.
These take, on average, about a 30-minute class.
Okay. But I have only 15 minutes of class every day. That's why right now it's
Yeah. So what people in your position do, Gum, is they will do half the lesson. They will do until like slide 8 for one, and then the next lesson they will do from 8 to 16. Yeah.
okay.
So, yeah. Good. Let me show you one more website. Do you know about Ingo?
Ingo, I have not heard about it. Ingo.
Ingo is another free resource you can use on Cambly with your tutor.
Okay.
And Ingo provides different lessons. I sent you the link there.
Ingo. Okay. I will try it.
Ingo. Do you
Is
see
it
it?
free or I have to buy it? Ingo English. Ingo private online English lesson. Okay.
Do you see?
Yeah, I see it.
But you should be at the business materials. You see it says business materials,
Hmm.
and you can choose the level. There's the basics, socializing, telephone skills, conversations, meetings, negotiations. You see those different categories.
Hmm. Yeah, I
So
see.
this is a really good thing you can do with your tutor to practice.
Okay, I will try,
Okay?
and I think today I have 7 minutes left, so you can go for conversations only today since
Yeah.
time.
Do you have a chance, Gum, to speak English in your daily life besides Cambly?
Bisa no, I have very rare sound since in India we have multiple languages. In Northeast right now, the place where I'm living in Assam state, we speak Assamese language. It's a conversation between friends and my mom, my mother. And if some person from my classmates, during my college time, when they call me, we talk in Hindi, which is national language of India, and sometimes we speak with English. But it's rare that I got to sons in English speaking. Very rare sons.
Gotcha. What, and during work you don't have opportunity to speak with native speaker?
In work.
During work.
Yeah,
During work?
yeah. We use multiple languages, but since right now I'm not in job, but I'm looking for a job. Since once I work in a big corporate companies, yeah, there's a chance that we can speak in native language, but uh, it's better. In India, what happens is that when in a corporate or in a business, when you speak in English, the people think that you are a very smart person. This kind of what is called this kind of
Really?
what is called this kind of thing is happening in
It's a
India right now.
bias.
When you speak in
It's
English,
a bias.
when you speak so many fluent English, it becomes like you are very smart. Oh, this guy may be a very smart person, come from under region of the state. This kind of feeling is happening in India. Hmm.
You think it's a positive bias towards English speakers, yeah?
Yeah, I think it's happening from not only, but it's happening from around centuries since British came in India. Uh, Everything becomes in English nowadays. When I have to write an application to the teacher,
Wow.
to the officer, to the administrators, I have to write it in English. This is happening in India. Besides, we have national language Hindi.
But that's good for you.
Yeah, that's good for me as well as I think.
Yeah. Yeah. If you speak English, this is very positive thing. Yeah.
The problem is that since I got very rare chance to speak in English, and that's why my English is not improving as what I expect. And at the same time, right now I know around four languages. And every
Mhm.
person in India, most of the person in India, they know around three to four languages. Since we have multiple multiple community and multiple communities speak the different language.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Gotcha. Gotcha. Well, that's good. I think once you know Gim, once
Hello.
you know one language, it's easier to learn more of them.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
know, once you know how to learn another language, it's easier to build more. Can you hear me?
Can you please repeat? It was network issue, I think.
I said once you know two languages,
Hmm.
it is easier to learn more. In my opinion, once you know two languages, it's easier to learn more.
Okay.
Did you see my message?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see it. Yeah, it may be true, but I'm not sure that it may be.
Do you have a family, Gum?
Yeah, I have a family. My mother, my father, my brother. We have
Gotcha.
four family members in our home.
Is your brother older or younger?
Older.
Older. And what does he do?
He work in a company
He
near our
works.
home, and it's a he works. Yeah, he works in a company which is located around only 5 km or 6 km near to my home, and
Mhm.
yeah, he works there.
Nice.
And
Nice. Does he speak English?
we no, in daily life he don't speak English. We speak in our native language in own mother tongue. But yeah, he know English. He can understand. Sometimes we speak with brothers and me. We speak English to improve the English, but not usually we speak English. Sometimes only when we're interested, we speak only.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Hmm. So how did you get to learn English so well if it's not very popular to speak English?
Oh,
How did you
I think it's since in India, after after 10, I mean after class 10, everything is in English. You have to write. The teachers will teach you in English language. Yeah, we have. Actually they teach in multiple languages, English as well as Indian national language, Hindi. So since I completed my graduation in computer science engineering department, so the teachers was English speaker. Yeah, he know in Hindi, but he teach us. He taught us in English, and since I think from that only, my English speaking is improving, and another reason is this Cambly. I have been trying Cambly. I think around 1 month ago. I think it's improving day by day, day by day.
nice, nice. So Cambly did a lot to help you, you think?
Yeah,
Or
I
will
think,
do.
yeah. Obviously, I think it's helping me to improve English. And
Do you watch any TV shows? Do you have like, Netflix?
right now, I'm not using Netflix, but earlier I used to have watched. But right now, I watch so many YouTube videos which is spoken in English. From there
Mm.
also, I learned so many things. I think time is
Yeah,
going up.
because that will.
So guys, I be time to select yeah. What I can do is I cannot, but I think this time is very less for me. I have to improve the things and as well as the this also.